Greetings, Ray here. Attention senior care leaders, if you oversee an assisted living, independent living, hospice, memory care, retirement community, personal care home, home care agency, or pharmacy, this post is for you. I'm going to quickly walk you through how our platform solves late or missed deliveries by providing delivery windows, real-time routing, and alerts so your team can plan confidently. Okay, let's get started. We're going to have a pickup in Lawrenceville, destination going to Duluth, industry, healthcare, and pharmaceuticals. We need a car, lightweight medication, pickup date of today. Let's get some rates. We're going to shoot for a same day delivery. Select our delivery profile. Everything looks great there. Origin pickup, just need a pickup address, which we have right here. Here's the crucial information: pickup time, start, pickup end. So we're going to go for between 2 and 3. Destination contact information, everything looks good there. We're going to do a drop off right in Duluth, and we want that dropped off by between 5 and 6. Everything else looks great there. Package information looks great there. And here's our confirmation screen. We have a pickup time start, time end, drop off time starts, time end, and we're going to confirm our shipment. From there, you will be routed inside of our application where you'll have information pertaining to that delivery windows and delivery that you created. Here on our dashboard, we have API traffic, API integrations here at the top that'll help with real-time routing. And from here, you could see real-time alerts that'll keep your team informed on some of the issues that may arise. Any questions, please reach out in a DM or send an email to info@instantcarrierrates.com. That's all for this post. Please like and share, and can't wait to get into the next pain point. See you guys next week.